Welcome back to our channel.
Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of the most extraordinary techs. We'll count the top techs that will leave you in awe. Hestia. Have you heard about the total solar eclipse happening on the 8th of April 2024? Well, the experts at Hestia have it on their radar. Their product hosts your smartphone into a telescope, making it perfect for observing eclipses, the moon, and other astronomical wonders. The idea is simple. Since modern smartphones are so powerful, why not use them as telescopes? The Hestia set consists of an ocular with a tripod, while the rest is taken care of by a smartphone's hardware and a specialized app. With this setup, you can observe the eclipse with a 25 times zoom, and just gazing at the stars will surely captivate many. The standard stargazing kit is available for $230. EvoDuster. Up without some all-in-one products in today's lineup. We have a pump plus blower plus hairdryer plus air duster. It's the perfect device whether you're camping or cleaning, as the manufacturers confidently assert. Here are the specs. It weighs 200 grams, has 4 speeds, can reach up to 100,000 rotations per minute, and runs on a 2700 mAh battery. They even added a small LCD screen, and its streamlined body exudes elegance and sophistication, adding a touch of style to your cleaning arsenal. In short, it's efficient, modern, and charges via USB Type-C. You can get the gadget, cable, and 3 attachments as a package for $90. Mocap X. In 2021, mobile gamers spent a staggering $116 billion on their favorite games, which is more than 12 times Monaco's GDP. It's not surprising considering the wide variety of games available, from puzzles to shooters. However, shooters present a challenge when it comes to aiming without a mouse or joystick, as it's not very convenient. Fortunately, a Californian teen came up with clever glasses that turn your head into a controller. Now you can simply look at your target and shoot. This means that you can aim 200% faster with 50% less finger movement and a cleaner screen. These glasses work with both Android and iOS devices and are also compatible with consoles, including the Steam Deck, all at a price of $89. Nubia Watch. The Nubia Watch must have made even Apple a little nervous. One of ZTE's brands from China has come up with a model featuring a 4-inch flexible screen. It looks fantastic in every sense, and its performance is impressive too. They claim it has 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal storage, and can last a week in power-saving mode. As usual, it allows you to check your pulse, distance traveled, steps, and other data. Sports enthusiasts will be pleased with the built-in GPS module and various modes like running and climbing. The watch even allows you to make phone calls without taking your phone out of your pocket. You can get your hands on this watch for just $220. LautieEDC NoizC-Nano. As for the popularity of fidget spinners, the main appeal lies in their simplicity. In this age of smart gadgets, people seek toys that don't demand much attention. As a result, the manufacturers of fidget spinners are doing quite well. For instance, the prices of these spinners from a Chinese company can go for up to $160. The main appeal lies in the creative freedom they offer. Customers can create their own models using their preferred components, with choices like brass, titanium, thermoplastic, different colors, designs, and sets of stickers, all organized into various themes and series. The assembled spinner will fully reflect the owner's creativity. Geco Hub. Today, even shelves have gotten smarter. The Geco Hub organizers are a great example. With its patented flexible matrix that can hold watches, keys, glasses, and other items. Just make sure the total weight doesn't exceed 2.5 kilograms. The organizer itself weighs 330 grams, so if you don't want to use screws on the wall, adhesive strips will do the job. Since the main material is silicone rubber, the organizer won't scratch your belongings and can be easily cleaned. Additionally, the flexible components can be mounted without glue, and various color options allow you to create a unique design. All of this comes at a price of $30. Thanks for joining us on this tech adventure. If you enjoyed discovering these remarkable techs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next time, peace out.